everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to bring you the secrets of cooking perfect seafood. Tired of rubbery shrimp or bland fish? Well, you're in the right place. Seafood is delicate, a true jewel of the sea, and cooking it is an art that demands a little precision and a lot of passion. With a few simple chef's tricks, you'll be serving up restaurant-quality dishes in no time. So let's get started. First things first, freshness is everything. Your journey to amazing seafood begins at the market. Always look for seafood that's in season. It should smell like the clean ocean, not fishy, and feel firm to the touch. If you're buying frozen, make sure it's from a reliable source and the package is well sealed. Trust me, starting with fresh, high-quality ingredients makes all the difference in the final flavor and texture. Now, let's talk about seasoning. One of the biggest mistakes people make is oversalting. Remember, seafood comes from the sea, so it's naturally seasoned by the salt water. A tiny pinch of coarse sea salt is all you need to enhance its natural, delicious flavor without overpowering it. Our next tip is a game changer. Less is more. This applies to both cooking time and heat. Seafood like squid, shrimp, and scallops cook incredibly fast. We're talking just 2 to 5 minutes over medium-high heat. If you cook them any longer, they'll turn tough and rubbery. So keep a close eye on them. The goal is to cook them just until they're done. And just like with salt, go easy on the spices. You don't want to mask that beautiful, delicate flavor of the sea. A few complementary ingredients are all you need. Think garlic, a squeeze of fresh lemon, a dash of white pepper, some fresh parsley, a knob of butter, or a drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil. These will highlight the seafood, not hide it. What about side dishes? The perfect accompaniment will make your seafood shine even brighter. Simple sides like fluffy white rice or boiled potatoes with a dollop of aioli are fantastic choices. And never underestimate the power of crusty bread for soaking up all those delicious sauces. For a drink pairing, a crisp, dry white wine is the classic choice to enhance all those lovely seafood notes. Proper cleaning is also crucial. For mussels and clams, scrub them well, remove any beards, and let them soak in salted water for about 30 minutes to purge any sand. For octopus, a great trick is to freeze it first. This helps tenderize the fibers. When preparing shrimp, always use a small knife to remove that dark intestinal vein along its back. And for squid, you'll want to peel off the thin skin and remove the clear, plastic-like quill inside. Alright, are you ready to cook? Let's get into some incredibly easy, chef-style recipes. First up, classic garlic shrimp, ready in just 10 minutes. You'll need about 300 grams or 2/3 of a pound of peeled shrimp, for cloves of thinly sliced garlic, an optional chili for a little kick, extra virgin olive oil, and fresh parsley. Don't worry about writing them down. We'll leave them in the description of this video, along with the other recipes. Start by gently frying the garlic and chili in olive oil until fragrant. Now add your shrimp and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, until they turn beautifully pink and opaque. Sprinkle with fresh parsley and serve immediately with lots of bread to mop up that amazing garlic oil. Chef's tip, for a gourmet touch, add a splash of brandy right at the end. Next, let's make an express seafood rice soup. This one takes about 30 minutes. You'll need 100 grams or about 1 cup of rice, 500 grams or just over a pound of mixed seafood, 1 onion, 1 grated tomato, fish broth, paprika, saffron, and garlic. In a pot, saute the chopped onion, garlic, and tomato. Add the rice and stir in the paprika. Pour in about double the amount of hot fish broth. Bring to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes. Here's a key tip. Don't stir it constantly. Let the rice breathe and absorb the liquid. Finally, add your seafood mix and cook for just 5 more minutes until it's cooked through. And there you have it, a comforting and flavorful soup. How about something fresh and zesty? Peruvian-style shrimp ceviche. You'll need 300 grams or 2/3 of a pound of cooked shrimp, the juice of 5 limes, 1 thinly sliced red onion, cilantro, chili, salt, and some crunchy toasted corn or canned good. Simply mix the cooked shrimp with the lime juice, onion, and chili. Let it marinate in the fridge for about 15 minutes. The lime juice cooks the shrimp with its acidity. Serve it chilled with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of that crunchy corn. A chef's secret, ceviche is a living dish. The lime should lightly cook the ingredients, not overwhelm them with sourness. Last but not least, grilled octopus with potatoes and aioli. It looks impressive but is so simple. You'll need 1 pre-cooked octopus, some boiled potatoes, olive oil, paprika, and a good homemade aioli. If you're cooking the octopus yourself, boil it for about 45 minutes with a bay leaf and an onion to make it tender. Once cooked, brush the octopus with olive oil and sear it on a hot grill or pan for a few minutes on each side to get those beautiful char marks. Serve it over slices of warm boiled potato, add a generous dollop of aioli, and sprinkle with a little paprika for color and flavor. Absolutely divine. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover a few common mistakes to avoid. The number 1 error is overcooking, which leads to rubbery textures. Remember, short and sharp is the way to go. Also, don't use heavy, overpowering sauces. Let the flavor of the sea be the star. And finally, always thaw frozen seafood properly, preferably slowly in the refrigerator, before cooking to maintain its texture. To serve your masterpiece like a true chef, presentation is key. Use simple white plates to make the colors pop, garnish with fresh herbs, and think about color contrasts. A little bit of effort in plating goes a long way. So there you have it. Cooking seafood isn't difficult at all. It just requires a little bit of love and technique. With these tips and recipes, you're ready to create incredible seafood dishes right in your own kitchen. Which recipe will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. For more recipes and cooking inspiration, head over to our website. See you in the next video.